Hello, my name is Artur Malinowski and I'm working for Malcan, and today I would like to show you very basic operations, very basic actions you can do with Malcan Workflow for SharePoint. Actually, I will speak about not only actions, but these are called handlers. So we will react to some changes on the list or items or on the document items. Okay, so what I have here, I've created I have a blank site which is completely blank, apart that I have blank list on that. Let me just activate the workflow on that list. There is another session on how to activate and deactivate, but here you see I have my blank list returned and also the actions. Let me just do something here. So actually I will focus on the action type here and also on the script. So let's on the blank list I have a column title. Let me just add some small code. So I want my title to have the current date and time. And on the action type, let me just choose adding. I will just explain it in a moment. What is this? Here I see OK, that means it's checked correctly. And what I've done now is whenever I add a new record or new document to library or new item to the list, this will be executed. So the title will have the current date. Okay, let me check it. If I add www, okay. Even though I wrote www, whenever the record is added, it is changed to current date time. Of course, it runs only whenever it is adding. So if I change it, edit. If I change it to KKK, it stays KKK. But again, any new record, if I add anything, it is changed to the value title is filled as I wanted. So if I want the same to be done whenever it is updating, I can just copy and paste here. So whenever it is added and also updating, I want the title to stay as now. Okay. So if I change anything, LLL, it is again executed not only when it is added, but also when it is updated. Okay, so currently we just played with some basic calculations on just one value on the column value. And what about if I want to change the name of the list? In order to get the list object, let me just go to API. There are some global functions here, and there is function called current list, which returns list. So if I return the list using current list, and then if I go to list, there are some attributes. And for example, attribute title is read to write. So I can access the title attribute of the list. Okay. Let me just say that whenever a record is changed, let me just current list and title. Let it be equal to, let it assign the value of the title. So maybe it's not a very practical example, but just showing you the possibilities you can do with the Malcan Workflow for SharePoint. So whenever the record is changed, anything changes here, I can change the title of the list, assigning it what was in the row, in the title of the row. Okay, let's check it. So Here are my lists. Let's edit one of them. For example, new list title. Let's press OK. What I see here, new list title. What I see here, new list title. So it took the value of my title and put it as a new list title, basically. So these are very basic examples, but just wanted to highlight that you can very easily change and use the object model to change even the names of the sites or names of the list and much more. And if we come back to the description of the demo, so what I would like you to see also maybe how to calculate datetime values, which is much more powerful calculations were shown here. Thank you for your time.